My chemical engineering degree is not recognized, unfortunately, in Australia. So I decided to take a higher level course, which is the MBA. My name is Ronaldo. I'm an immigrant from the Philippines. Prior to migration, I was a chemical engineer. Instead of going back to chemical engineering, so I took an MBA. When I came to Adelaide, I happened to be working in a paper packaging company where I work as a production planner and costing coordinator. Due to some job instability in the manufacturing company, during that time, so I decided to be a nurse. I first landed in the aged care industry, and now I'm working in SA Health. Healthcare, which is a very different environment, but I think I like the environment in healthcare because you are very interactive with people. I enjoyed studying online because it saves me time and money, like traveling to school, traveling and also preparing myself. And also I think there's no so much difference between studying online and in the classroom because it's just like a classroom environment and everyone has the chance to share their opinions. Professionally, I think I have changed a lot. Like the way I make my decisions and the way, especially on my critical thinking ability. So I have learned how to weigh things, like figuring out things at different angles before giving a decision. My GDM course has led me to success. In fact, when I was applying for a level 4 job in the government, so I was just surprised that they have given me a level 5 just because they learned I am taking this course. Actually, I'm already moving on to MBA. I have already finished, in fact, I have already finished 2 subjects and then 1 subject more on the project, and then I'm done. Take a step to study MBA because at the moment I think the job market is tough. It's becoming tougher every day. And then if you have the MBA, you get all this competitive advantage. Yeah.